Integrating the radar and command systems requires meticulous precision, ensuring seamless communication across the battle space. Deployed and operational, the TAD system provides critical upper atmospheric defense, intercepting the simulated Iranian missile threat with pinpoint accuracy.
Системы проверены, сэр. Активация радара.
Активировано. Начинаем поиск цели.
Aegis engagement sequence initiated.
CIWS firing. Bearing 290.
Target destroyed. Cease fire.
Firing sequence initiated.
Tracking.
The radar array optimizes engagement against short-range threats.
The PAC-3 guidance system optimizes the hit-to-kill approach.
And the upgraded warhead significantly increases its effective range against ballistic threats.
This radar placement optimizes the TAD engagement zone, allowing for earlier intercept opportunities here.
What's the projected velocity?
This
schematic illustrates the integration of the SPY-1 array with the vertical launch system.
This schematic highlights the increased range of the SM-6. The guidance system updates are uploaded and verified.
We have continuity on circuits 3 through 7. Good.
Proceed with the next bank of conduits.
Engagement successful. Switching to next target.
Multiple inbound threats detected. Initiating intercept sequence.
Confirming guidance alignment on Sector 3. Readings are stable. Stand by for final torque check.
Look at the tracking visualization here.
I see it. Recalibrating the trajectory parameters now.
Stand by for system check.
Check the alignment on Sector 4.
Adjusting now. Stand by for confirmation.
Alignment confirmed. Tracking sequence initiated.
Calibration sequence complete. Guidance systems are nominal.
Acknowledged. System shows full readiness. Well done.
Radar alignment sequence initiated.
Confirmation. Sequence running. Power levels stable.
System checks complete. The PAC-3 is ready.
This housing looks secure. Did you check the primary coolant levels?
Affirmative. Levels are nominal. Moving to finalize the checklist.
Check the alignment on the K-band radar.
Looks good within parameters. Moving to the waveguide pressure.
Clearance check complete. Begin lift sequence.
Moving in now. Guide it steady. Confirm green on the forward mounts. Forward mounts locked. Aft straps secured. Clearance looks good.
Secure the straps. Ratchet check.
Straps secured, Chief. Ready for transport. Clear the platform. Systems check complete. Ready for transport.
Confirmed secure. Let's move out.
Radar locked. Incoming trajectory confirmed.
Elevate launcher to 45 degrees.
Firing sequence initiated.
Launch sequence initiated.
Missile away. Tracking nominal.
Target destroyed. Splash confirmed.
Incoming ballistic missile threat detected. Launch sequence initiated.
Missile 1 away. Tracking successful.
Target destroyed. All clear, all clear.
Incoming trajectory locked. Defense systems active.
All batteries, fire at will. Launching interceptors now.
Activation sequence initiated. Power levels stabilizing. Acquiring initial sweep data now. System looks green.
Initiating radar sweep sequence.
Systems check, all green.
Tracking successful. Calibration complete.
Algorithm integration at 90%.
Looks stable. Confirming synchronization across all batteries.
PAC-3 systems fully operational. Ready for deployment.
The tracking speed increased exponentially after this upgrade cycle. Its legacy in missile defense technology remains unmatched.
The PAC-3 demonstrated superior accuracy in that engagement.
But the TAD's capacity against ballistic threats really changed the game.
The TAD system's kinetic kill vehicle provides a distinct advantage in the terminal phase.
Exactly. The historical data.
The kinetic energy hit-to-kill ratio is still impressive for this generation.
Absolutely, especially when you look at the successful intercepts shown here.
The indium antimonide array provided a significant sensitivity boost, which allowed earlier engagement in the terminal phase.
The THAAD system's X-band radar provides unparalleled tracking data.
Look at the historical intercept rates when paired with
The engagement sequence confirms the PAC-3's hit-to-kill capability.
And the tracking data confirms the missile trajectory was neutralized instantly.
This specific PAC-3 upgrade significantly enhanced our counter-ballistic capabilities.
The ANJ MPQ-65.
What are you seeing there?
This connection port shows minor degradation. We should log it before the next calibration sequence.
Line 3 secured. Confirmed. Proceed to the next sequence.
Calibration sequence initiated. Dialing in coordinates now. System looks green.
Calibration sequence initiated. All primary sensors responding correctly. Locking cover in 3, 2, 1.
Shifting focus to the GBI, guidance internal.
Stand by for launch. We have a clean trajectory.
Evacuate. Clear the area immediately. Go, go, go. Take cover.